Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix printer error 0x000006ba. Operation could not be completed, print spooler service not running. So guys, to resolve this problem, follow some easy steps. Click on start. Now type here services, open services. Now here guys, you have to find out print spooler. This one, double click on it. Now startup tab should be automatic and service status should be running. In case it's stopped, so just click on start, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now close it and try second method. If this method not work, click on start, settings. Now here click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters. Now underneath printer, click on run. Now follow the suggestions which you see in this display. Hopefully guys, this will resolve some common problems. Once it is complete, close it and restart. And after restart guys, still you are facing error, so you can try last method. Click on start. Now here type %, WinDIR %system32/spool/printer. So open this folder. It will ask permission, so continue. Now here guys, you will see any file, so highlight them and delete them. I don't have any file, but guys, you have any file here, so select and delete. After that, restart again your PC. Hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve printer error 0x000006ba. Operation could not be completed, printer spooler service not running problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.